Miss Valentina Pinca? Yes, welcome to the interview. Have a seat. Yes, thank you. How are you doing today? I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm doing great. Thank you for your interest in our company. I'm Leo, by the way, and today I'm going to ask you a series of questions about yourself. And throughout this conversation, I want you to feel free to ask me anything about the industry and the position that you're applying for. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Perfect. So, why don't you start by telling something about yourself? Sure. I graduated high school at Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo in Quezon City in 1999. After that, I worked at Green Hills as sales lady for 8 years, 1999 to 2007, and cell phone company. I have so many experience about the customers in Green Hills. There's so many customers there, so I didn't assist the other that they want to buy. One of customer get angry with me because he wanted to assist her. But I have another customer. I told her to wait, but she didn't. I apologized to her and I'm patient to her, even she get angry with me. After 8 years for being sales lady, I stopped. I concentrated to my family. Years gone by and 2019 I worked at Abbott Company and production. It was challenging for me because it's too far from my home. It is located at Bicotan. My home is in Antipolo. Also, my work there is so heavy because I'm bringing cartons that contains many cans of milk. I'm hardworking, but that time, I can't afford my everyday transport and food. So I realized to stop working there. I concentrated to my family until now I don't have job. But last month I have read in Facebook about call center. I'm not thinking anymore. I applied on that day because I want to experience becomes call center agent. It is a big help to have work. Do you handle customer service? Yes. I'm not downplaying my difficulty that comes with talking to the people. Do you know the task of call center agent? Based on my research and studying call center in TESDA, it's answering customer calls and listening to other concerns and solving problems. Handling both inbound and outbound phone conversation with clients to make sure everyone quickly gets the help they need. How to deal difficulty with customers. Being patient, calm throughout the interactions. Why should we hire you? I believe I can enthusiasm and positive attitude person, and I understand the importance of providing excellent customer service. So I want to apply in your company. What was I've learned in studying call center in Testa? Okay, that's the interview for today. Thank you so much, Valentina, for your time. I really appreciate it. It's my pleasure.